All right, welcome back, everyone. So, this is episode 3, and the first one where I'm actually working on the plane, not unboxing things or talking about the video series. So, the original plan was to live stream the construction of this plane, and as well as record it and make the videos available after the fact. Had a little technical difficulty doing that. The software that I was planning to use would not stream and record at the same time, at least not without substantial payment. So I'll probably switch to OBS, Open Broadcaster. It's an open source system. So look for that. Nothing much will change, but should be able to live stream and record for my own benefit. So what we're seeing here is work on the rudder, and there's not it's a little bit slow going here in the beginning. A lot of drilling and later on some deburring. But so this is the rudder skeleton, and double checking the plans there. You do have to do that. Even though the Zenith photo assembly guide is quite good, and the plans are excellent, as well as the kit components. The rudder does have a fair amount of drilling that you have to do yourself. They have pilot holes at least. Nothing is without at least pilot holes. Not everything is final hole drilled. So you see here I'm working on the rudder spar and getting it cleaned up after I drilled it, deburring the components of the rudder. This is the some of the ribs here that I'm doing. Deburring is a long, tedious, not terribly fun process, as you can imagine, but it's something that has to be done before you can rivet everything. And part of this is getting ready to remove the Zenith stickers, which are a nasty double-edged sword. I mean, it's great that everything is so clearly labeled. There's certainly no chance of mistaking one part for another. The uh, the downside is oh man, those stickers are hard to get off. And in the past, I've used acetone. This time, I tried mineral spirits. That did not work well at all. Quite honestly, I ended up scrubbing and scraping with my fingernails and everything else. Probably go back to acetone to clean those up in the future. They do come off pretty easy with that. So I wanted to get these. I wanted to get the rudder skeleton completed today, including riveting. That just didn't happen. What you're seeing here is about 3.5 hours worth of work. So tomorrow I have a little bit of cleanup to do, a little bit of priming, and then I'll reassemble and rivet.